morning and salam Ibu Pertiwiku. Assistant Minister of Law, State Federal Relations and Project Monitoring, Sharifah Hasidah Said Aman Ghazali, said there are no talks of referendum to be held regarding Sarawak's position in Malaysia. During the State Legislative Assembly yesterday, she said the struggles to reclaim Sarawak's right must be implemented within the parameters of the Federal Constitution, within the context of legitimate laws of Malaysia, and within the context of the country of Malaysia. However, she said the discussion between Sarawak and federal governments, particularly at the top level at the Steering Committee and Technical Committee, have all been going smoothly nonetheless. She added the Sarawak government also thanked the federal government for agreeing to form a parliamentary select committee on the implementation of MA63 to ensure these issues will continue to be discussed in the parliament. Meanwhile, the State Agriculture Department has now a program to buy surplus fresh local fruits from farmers during the fruiting season. Minister of Modernisation of Agriculture, Native Land and Regional Development Dato' Amar Douglas Ugah Embas said its agro-based industry section is buying these fresh fruits to be processed into snack food for export. He added the agro-based industry sector too would help these interested farmers themselves to do the processing and will provide the courses, training, basic machine and some startup funding. He further said this also fits in very well with the state plan to be a net exporter of food and food products for 2030. GPS Telang Usan Dennis Ngau has suggested that a dedicated unit in the Chief Minister's Department be set up to focus on poverty in the state. When debating the Yang di-Pertua Negeri's opening address at the State Legislative Assembly yesterday, he said such department that could also stand on its own would be tasked with executing and monitoring agenda that will give 100% focus on reducing poverty among Sarawakian. Dennis pointed out that efforts to reduce and eliminate poverty could only be done by having a dedicated and focused unit or department, as well as officers and staff. And that is all for me. I'm Yumes Rani for TV Sarawak. Anytime, anywhere.